Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use templates on Canva. So to do that, you're just going to select templates on the home page right here, like on these tabs, and you can even browse templates if you want. There's like a business section, social media, video, marketing, custom prints, cards, and invitations, and education. So for instance, you want to, create a phone wallpaper. I think you can change the text, so let's select it and select customize this template, and it's going to open this, and you can change the text to say something like Nina's iPhone, for instance. Do not open. And then once you're done, you're just going to select share and then download, and then you can just save it like so. And that's pretty much how you can use templates on Canva. There's more there's more that you can choose from. That is pretty much it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!